In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add MTF FTR in TradingView Pro. Before we jump in, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine. The process will be exactly the same. Once your chart is up on the screen, we can start adding the indicator. First, move your mouse to the top of the chart area and look for the Indicators button. Depending on your layout, it's usually near the top toolbar. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This will open the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and add all kinds of tools to your charts. Inside that window, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly into that search box so you can type. This is where you're going to look for the MTF FTR indicator. Type the phrase MTF FTR into the search field. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the list below and start showing you matching indicators. Give it a second to load all the results, then look through the list for the specific MTF FTR indicator you want to use. Pay attention to the name and the author if there are multiple versions, so you can pick the one that matches what you're looking for. When you found it, simply click on the indicator name once. TradingView will immediately add it to your current chart, and you should see it appear right away. If you want to fine-tune how it looks or behaves, you can open the settings for the indicator by hovering over its name in the chart legend and clicking on the settings icon. From there, you can adjust colors, line styles, visibility on different time frames, and any custom inputs the creator has added. Take a moment to tweak those options so the indicator is easy for you to read and works well with your existing chart layout. Now, if you're not already on TradingView Pro and you want to unlock more features, cleaner charts, and a smoother experience while using tools like MTF FTR, you can use my affiliate link in the description. That link will take you straight to TradingView's upgrade page. Just choose the Pro plan that fits you best and follow the prompts on their site. It's a simple way to support the channel while getting access to more professional charting tools. That's all you need to do to add MTF FTR inside TradingView Pro and get it running on your charts.